What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a trip to comfort food city. Idli is something I ate a lot while growing up. I'm from the southern part of India. It was pretty much something I used to have every single day for breakfast. But now, since I've gotten older, wiser, and let's say fitter, I realized I have to make subtle tweaks to the recipe for it to be in line with my diet. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, to start things off, take 180 grams of chana dal and 25 grams of raw rice and soak it for at least 2 to 3 hours. Then in a blender, add the dal and the rice with a little bit of water and blend it into a batter as so. In a pan, heat 7 grams of oil on medium flame and add half teaspoon mustard seeds, a pinch of hing and a few curry leaves and let it crackle. We will then add the mix to the batter along with 2 to 3 green chilies, 1/4 cup coriander leaves, 1/4 cup of curd and half teaspoon ginger. Before we add the batter onto the idli plates, we have 2 more steps. Number 1 is to coat the plates with a little bit of cooking spray, and number 2 is to add salt for taste and half teaspoon of ENO into the batter and mix well. Time to immediately pour the batter onto the idli plates and steam them for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. And there you go. Finally, serve these delicious idlis with your favorite chutney. I personally went with peanut chutney. Alright guys, here it is. Now time to do a taste test. So I'm gonna break this idli in half and dip it in the peanut chutney, and 3, 2, 1, let go. Oh my god guys, trust me, I am not exaggerating. This tastes like freedom, like guilt-free food. It is so goddamn good. You have to give this a try guys, especially you idli lovers out there. A must try, trust me, you will love it. Now moving on to the macronutrient breakdown for this entire recipe. If you make it exactly like how I made it, just for the idlis, the entire recipe is 880 calories, of which 128 grams are carbs, 18 grams of fat, and 46 grams of protein, guys. Now, if you want to divide this into 2 servings, then each serving is 440 calories, 64 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat, and 23 grams of protein. It doesn't get better than this, guys. Try this recipe out, tag me on Instagram, and I would love to see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and I will see you in the next video.